Hello everyone, I Shalini Guliani, faculty BA JMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic PR in politics. The aim of PR in politics is to present functionaries, their manifestos and programs in comparison to other parties in society. This involves attracting attention and interest of the people towards the work done by the party for the development of the people, as well as raising the level of awareness about the party and its leaders. PR in politics employed to convey information and shape political opinion. In our society filled with media, information, attention and communication, political institutions consider it very important to use media for political PR. Keeping the media aware about the positive activities of the political party is the key to successful political PR. PR professionals in context also conduct continued dialogues with other major target groups such as members, functionaries, voters and other political parties and stakeholders to build up and promote a climate of mutual understanding and trust. They act as two-way mediators between politics and the media, the economy, the administration and the civil society. They consult political decision makers and government functionaries in formulating policies and concerns. They assess the party image in the society and suggest corrective measures wherever required. They also analyze the feedback of people in various political actions and develop strategies on the basis of analysis. Example, analysis of strength and weaknesses. The PR function of publicity is a great tool of gaining awareness for candidates and cause, whether through mass media exposures, special events or targeted direct communication. Making candidates' names known to voters is a basic function of political PR. So I hope you understand this topic of role of PR in politics. Thank you very much.